Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and today we're checking out 2011 Lexus RX 330 with only 36,000 miles. Absolutely amazing vehicle from the condition standpoint. Of course, we've made our cosmetic improvements to the exterior, but from the originality standpoint, it has all original body panels. It never had any accidents. It has impeccable service history, which was further enhanced by all the service work that we completed here at AlphaCars. So let's take a closer look to all the body panels. We're going to look at the interior, engine compartment, tires, which are brand new, wheels, brakes, and things like that. But let's start from the interior, because that's where we as drivers and passengers spend most of our time. The first thing you notice about this car is the impeccable condition of all the interior trim panels, leather on the seats, armrest. Woodwork is incredibly deep. Like, if you look at the wood, you can just see that it's natural wood that was used in the clear coat, and the wood itself in a great condition. If you look at the center console, shifter knob, and everything about the interior of this car is just impeccable. So while it is 2011, and by the way, it's a very desirable body style for its visibility. A lot of Lexus owners prefer that over the new ones. And if you're looking for this vintage Lexus, this one has nice low mileage and truly an impeccable condition of the interior. While it's very close to new vehicle condition, there are some minor blemishes. Here's one of them I'll show you, and it's to do with the seat belt often being stuck between the door and the door jamb. Let's look at the other door jambs and doors. They look in very nice condition. Let's look at the cargo area. We have the cargo divider, floor mats. We have the original Lexus floor mat, which can be flipped over. It's symmetrical. You can flip it over to have a non-carpeted side up. We have little compartments like this. You can put a lot of goodies in there. The original first aid kit is still here. These are the levers to pull the seats down. And this Lexus offers a lot of room when you pull the seats down. We're looking at the other door jamb right here. It looks very, very nice. And another one. So the only real imperfection that we were able to see was on the driver's door, on the really outside edge of the door trim, which, by the way, cannot be seen like when you get inside. I'm going to get inside, and when you close it, you can't really see that imperfection. But when you're inside the vehicle, it is spectacular. It is absolutely spectacular. I love this open area under the center console. You can put a little bag, purse, certainly your phone. There's a 12-volt charger out there. Let's check that out right here. And of course, it does have the sunroof. Let's look at the engine compartment. Yeah, your typical Lexus. You can see very little of it, and you know what's in there is smooth, reliable, easy to maintain, your typical Lexus Toyota powertrain. And as I mentioned before, this car has never had any accidents. So if you look and check here, all the clips, all the hardware, everything is original. So let's get it started. The Lexus has a push button start. All you need to do is step on the brake pedal, push the start button, and it starts right up. And it runs nice and smooth. You can barely hear the engine. So let's get the engine closed. And this color is simply stunning. It's a balanced look from the standpoint of, like, not every red car looks good. This is not exactly your red car. It's maroon and a very, very deep, incredibly fine metallic color deep inside. And the beauty of the Lexus cars, and I love again this vintage of the 330, you have so much room, you have so much glass. Look at it. In the back there's a little quarter glass all the way back there, and there's a tiny quarter glass even up front here. Check that out. And the same on this side. And it doesn't look like much, but it is certainly very, very helpful to have. So let's take it just for a quick drive down the street. One thing I noticed right away, when you put it in drive, you don't even feel transmission shift. You don't even feel the, you don't hear the fan. The AC blows incredibly cold. And it has excellent throttle response. Look at how much room I have everywhere. Sunroof. And it drives absolutely beautiful, very, very, very smooth. Yeah, the brakes are phenomenal. Shift's beautiful. You can't even feel the shifts. Downshifting is great. It picks up speed instantly. It's a nice V6 engine. We're gonna take a left turn right here. Probably just turn around. It's got pretty amazing radius of turning. So we'll blend in with traffic. The seats are very comfortable and very, I would say, comfortably firm. They're not plush. They have nice resistance. They're not worn out in any way with 36,000 miles. And again, the condition of leather in this vehicle and the trim in general is just simply spectacular. All the buttons are nice and clean. They're not tacky. All the controls are working, of course, and all the white writing stays in place. It hasn't like shifted with cleaning and with use over time. The instrument cluster is impeccably clean. It's got a nice sound system, and again, it just has a nice feel of a fresh, close to new vehicle condition. Again, visibility is awesome. Big mirrors. Wow. It does have cool and ventilated seats, and I can actually take some, I can feel some cold through the seat, so I'm gonna drop that down. Okay, so Nice test drive. Yes, it does have heated seats and cooled seats. It has a locking differential. Wow, very nice feature. It has traction control off. Tailgate remote control. Fuel door release. We have our window switches. And look at everything. The condition of everything is just impeccable. Here's another look at the car. Check this out. Beautiful, timeless styling. Very functional and good looking. Thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars. You can find more details at alphacars.com on our website, AlphaCars.com, or simply give us a call at 978-263-9000. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and certainly let us know if you like our videos. Just check the link, and we hope to see you soon.